is the flavor that enhances Damien. Okay, okay, okay. All right. I guess next time I go to the store, I'll look it up. You know. Uh, because I make a lot of flour. They got the veggie ones. It's so good. Okay, okay. I never know about that. Thank you for putting me on. I look it up next time I go to the store. I'm trying to make these dumplings as fast as I can, and before my hands get cold. Those all those dumplings. I know, right, Queen? It's a lot of dumplings, man. It's a lot of dumplings. I guess I probably overdid it with the flour, huh? It's a lot of dumplings. Boom.